Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your flag on chess.com account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your chess application from your app drawer and log into your account. Changing your flag on chess.com is a straightforward process. From the main homepage, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on Profile. Right under your username, you will be able to see your flag. Simply tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner and you will be able to change your profile. Tap on the country option and select one of the flags of the country you'd like to change to. After selecting your desired country or flag, tap on the tick mark at the top right in order to save your change. Your flag should now be updated to reflect your chosen country. So that's how easily you can change flag for your chess.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.